Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. You saw the last video, you saw that we got our new engine. This is going to be the power plant for the E82 competition car. This is a L92. It's a 6.2 liter aluminum block. We got it completely stripped down. We inspected everything. It all looks pretty good. Now we need to go ahead and start prepping this block so we can get it put back together. In this video, we're going to be cleaning all of the mating surfaces, heads, oil pan, valley covers, and we're going to be honing all of the cylinder walls as well. We're just going to be using the dingleberry honer. I'm sure you guys have seen it a million times. A lot of these LS build videos that I'm making, I'm not going to be going too in depth. There is thousands of videos all over YouTube. There's no reason for me to really break it down and go too thorough with what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and just dive right in. We're going to start off by doing the cylinder walls. We're going to hit it with the ball honer. I'll show you guys my method on how I'm doing it, and we'll go from there. Alright, so per the directions, it wants you to use 10 weight 30. I know a lot of people use like WD-40 and things like that. I'm just going to go off what it calls for. So I have this little jug here. But it turned out really good. Looks nice. So we will go ahead and just start working on all the others. Alright, so they all turned out looking pretty good. All these cylinders have some slight scoring on them, but nothing too major. Doesn't grab my nail or do anything crazy. Two of them have this like little bit of pitting on there. I don't know if you can see. So I'm going to use some WD-40. They'll be a little more abrasive than the oil, and hit a couple of these one more time. Alright, what's up, guys? It is a few hours later. Everyone's in bed. I'm out here for a little late night garage action. We got the block all cleaned. There's a little bit of gunk still stuck on here, but for the most part this all got super clean with the pressure washer. We hit it with some oil eater and it made this thing look dang brand new practically. So now what I want to do is go to all of the mating surfaces on the block. The heads, the valley cover, oil pan, and we're gonna hit it with a 3M Roloc disc. We're gonna use their white disc. This is their least abrasive head that is aluminum safe. Every engine I've messed with, this is what I use. It's really good at removing old gasket material or anything else without ruining the surface. I will still go over the head mating surfaces with a large flat block. This will at least just clean everything up and remove a lot of the old material. So I probably won't finish the whole engine tonight, but let's go ahead and get after it a little bit. Alright guys, so we were out here late last night getting all of the mating surfaces cleaned up with the 3M bristle disc. It all looks really nice, but obviously it's not going to be the smoothest thing possible. So what we're going to do is get a sanding block with some 1500 grit and some WD-40, and we're going to smooth out all these surfaces for the head, the valley cover, the oil pan, the whole nine, get them nice and flat and ready to accept new gaskets. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. No pun intended. This block's good to go. It's all cleaned, everything's removed, all the mating surfaces are all nice and smooth and filed down. Everything on this block is set. I don't know if I had mentioned in this video or another, the very front main journal of the crank is toast. Like, it is extremely bad, to a point where I don't think we'll be able to polish it or salvage that crank at all. So I'm gonna have to get a new crank. All the pistons and everything else look good, so it's just a matter of getting a new crank, cleaning everything up, and we can start assembling this with all new parts, bearings, rings, the whole nine. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you've been enjoying the series this far, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.